Hi guys, welcome to EQUISIS. Myself Murugan. I'm a senior technical analyst here. Okay, for next few minutes, I'll take you through an interesting ways to pick stocks independently. Okay, it is a part 4 video, so we already have about 3 different parts, which addresses how to pick stocks in terms of by reading equity markets or relative performance or with respect to the day-to-day price movements. But this particular video will take you through how to pick stock based on bulk and block deals which take place on day-to-day basis, because that is something which we get on a daily basis by exchange, but that's a raw data. But how do we actually make it interestingly so that we pick some meaningful decision out of it? So we have taken some sort of an interesting work about this, and we always advise our clients to trade with knowledge and discipline. Okay, always do consider taking independent decisions. Understand your trades before you execute it, then probably the chances of making money is quite high. Let's see how actually we're gonna pick stock. Stock picking use based on bulk and block deals. Let's get into our website first, which is www.eqsis.com. If I get into this website, probably you could see our home screen here. Okay, on top of it you could see various menus like EQUSIS, About Us, Training, Trading Tips, Analysis. Okay, under Analysis we could see something called Stock Analysis, Derivative Analysis, Top 10 Buy Deals and Top 10 Sell Deals. Okay, I think under Stock Analysis, an interesting column which is called as NSE Bulk and Block Deals. Okay, let me tell you what exactly bulk and block deals. See, a retail trader was not supposed to disclose whatever he buy, sell on daily basis to the SEBI. But if anyone make a deal size more than a significant quantum, and they have to disclose things to the SEBI and exchange about their particular trades, and in turn that exchange will make it available for public. So why am I interested? Look at this. If someone buying a stock for about 20 crores and 30 crores, he's not going to buy without doing a kind of research. So if I get to know at what price he is buying, probably it helped me to understand market better, because we are a technical analyst who generally prefer to study markets. So what I did is I got into that particular video. Now what I did is actually I've selected this analysis under which I could have something called NSE bulk and block deals. If you click that particular thing, this particular screen is gonna come. Let me tell you what exactly this particular screen is. We have about, now you could see two different table. On your left hand side, this particular table will list down. See, there are a lot of deals would have taken place in last 10 days. I just wanted to know what company was the favorite in terms of buying as far as the bulk and block deals is concerned. See, I'm not concluding the entire market volume. So, but my focus is only with respect to bulk and block deals, so that we get to know even more information about it. So when I look into this, in last 10 days, the top accumulated stock in NSE is these companies. So Celebrity, McDowell Holdings, 1%. So we have some stocks which are the traders' interest. And likewise, the second table will list is what fund house or who actually purchased the stock. Who is if I say LIC is one of the institution, and if they keep buying various stocks, collectively LIC how much they purchased is what actually visible here. Likewise, if there is say a company called Celebrity would have been a favorite choice for 2-3 people, but the number displays here is the collective value of the Celebrity. So for me, I'm not interested in all the stocks, but in last 10 days, the top accumulated stock is actually these companies as per the NSE. And the top 10 buyers, major buyers in India through bulk and block deal segment are these people. So likewise, I get about top, the top distributed stock list, like the Suntex, and we have a JP Associates even a part of it. Sometime interestingly, top company name gets into this role, and we can actually pick a stock what exactly happens when it comes to this. And we could see that the top 10 sellers like a Kotak Alternate Opportunities, India Agri Business Fund, and CD Equi Finance Private Limited. A lot of companies were net buyers and sellers. Okay, guys, let me take see. Well, I'll give you one example here. Top 10 accumulated stocks. Let's see, this company was accumulated for about, I could see $160 billion, 1%. Let's open this company. Let's see what actually happens, because that particular table shows to us one thing clear, that a lot of people have purchased the stock. This was the topmost stocks which was accumulated by the players. Okay, look at this now. The charts now indicating me the stock is forming a classic higher top higher bottom formation for me. The price is keep on moving up. Look at this, there is a top bottom and top bottom, and the stock has given a breakout, and we could also see a good amount of volume has taken place in the last 10 days. Okay, these volume are more of buying or selling. By looking into price action itself, I can say it is more of buying volume, because the buyers were more aggressive when it comes to this days. But by looking into this screen, I can say the buyers are disclosed here. Maybe a voluminous buyers are there. From where they have purchased the shares, probably from the retail sellers like you and me. If they manage to buy a shares from the retail, probably the stock is expected to do well for the near term. This is what my observation based on this. See, look at this company, I never heard of it. And from a technical analysis perspective, if the volume is lacking something, I don't appreciate it. But still, I managed to buy the stock today. I managed to consider this because this is something the traders favorite. So it's not like we can simply neglect a stock. Let's focus on these companies. But the top 10 deals is a matter of, it's a matter of, for a period of time. We also have a detailed coverage here. Guys, pay attention here. It's about top 10 buy deals and top 10 sell deals. It is for the last 10 days, last 1 month, last 6 months, last 24 months. Let's say what is last 24 months. If you get into last 24 months, I'll just give you a clue how to make use of this. Okay, if you get into last 24 months, so the last 24 month bulk and block deals as disclosed in NSE, if we sort it in such a way that we see top companies, top buyers, I got Maruti is something which was accumulated by the, all together in last 1 year. Next to Maruti is Lupin, Bharti Airtel. This is surprise to me that look at this last 24 months, Maruti was the net buyer among the top players. A lot of people would have purchased and a lot of people would have sold Maruti. But for me, one thing is clear, that the Maruti was the net buyer among top players. Then who was net seller to the Maruti? Retail people like you and us. So you and me were net sellers and top people were buying. Maybe Maruti may be a good company now. Lupin, Bharti Airtel, Bosch, Shree Cements, Ashok Leyland. Look at this Shree Cements, Ashok Leyland, Acer Motors, Cadillac. So all these companies will help me to form a good portfolio even from a long-term perspective. So I keep insisting you people to check out this frequently so that you can evaluate what should be added in your portfolio and what can be taken out from your portfolio. And look at the second table here. In last 24 months, one of the major investor in India through, as disclosed in NSE bulk and block deal, BlackRock India Equities. The second is Goldman Sachs, DB International, BlackRock Fund International. So various fund houses are all actually the net buyers in India. Likewise, we do have a place where we can see who was the net seller in last 24 months as well. So that comes under the top 10 sell deals. But I'm not interested top last 10 days. I'm interested in knowing about last 24 months. This will help me what are the companies I have to take out from my portfolio. Okay, so let it get loaded. By the time we will see something which is very interesting. Pay attention here, guys. This something a tweak. I gonna do it now. We know one thing, Maruti was the trader's favorite. But we just wanted to know at what level people purchased Maruti. So how do I get this information? Slightly scroll down. Look at this. This is an interesting information you get it. When did, on 30th 11 November 2015, BlackRock bought this much of worth shares when it comes to Cadillac? And even a BlackRock sold something. Likewise, a lot of people purchase, sell, but they were net buyers. Dr. Reddy Laboratories, Eicher Motors, Lupin, Shree Cement, BlackRock is something which were aggressively buying a stock at various times. Shree Cement was purchased by BlackRock by 29/5/2015, so long back. So I just wanted to know what are the stocks Mr. BlackRock actually purchased. So let me choose here BlackRock fund. BlackRock did purchase Ashok Leyland and they sell something. And Cadillac they purchased, they sell. DLF they were a net seller, they didn't purchase anything. It seems that they were not interested in DLF. Okay. And Maruti they were just the buyers, they didn't sell anything. So on when did they actually did all this work? On 30th November. So various people do trade like this. Look at this Goldman Sachs. They did a significant purchase when it comes to Sun Pharma. At what level they purchased the share? 930 rupees. What is the quantity and what is the buy price? I think you can scroll this, you can find things in detail. If I want to know about the Morgan Stanley, look at this, the Morgan Stanley activity is this much. So this, I just wanted to know, like, if I want to construct a portfolio for about 6 month viewpoint or a 1 year viewpoint, at least for next 2 years viewpoint, I think this particular table will help us a clear idea, because in last 24 months, as and when you see the stocks, the top companies were under the favorite list, we can consider buying those. Likewise, let me take you guys to the top 24 months net sell deal. Okay. Look at this, Sun Pharma, Hero MotoCorp, Kotak Bank, Bajaj Auto, Crompton Greaves, Idea, IndusInd Bank, Infi, all these companies, Repco Home, all these companies are comes under top 10 stocks which are distributed at the recent times. So I think the Sun Pharma is more from a strategical perspective, Daiichi and Sun Pharma, ignore that. I think rest, Hero MotoCorp till this Repco and BPCL to this is actually more from a distribution perspective, seems to be more like distribution. So if I'm a trader, if I'm a trader or a kind of a portfolio developer, I would consider creating a stocks. I may get a clue by looking after these informations here. Because a 24-month altogether, I could get some clear clue that the people are actually net buyers here, not a sellers. Or these are the companies of the favorite list. I hope this video would have given you some idea how to get this top buyers and sellers. So you can find even more interesting things when you start exploring things. I would still say that this is more application oriented. Kindly log into our website and do explore things here. And we hope that on a daily basis we take some efforts to update this, as long as we get this information from NSE, as long as it is public. So hope this will help you to make even a good trades going forward to all. Okay. And as I said, we have a series of videos has been created to explain various things about picking a stocks, and this is about bulk and block deals. If you find this interesting, we appreciate if you start sharing this in your preferred network, if you inform to other co-traders about this. And if you have any doubts about picking things, and if you want any clarifications about any of these discussions we had, kindly post your things in the below comment box, and we would try to respond it as early as possible. Otherwise, you can contact us at any point of time through the below communication channel. Thank you. Happy trading.